Eto na, Stephen Curry nire-recruit na si LeBron para sa next season at Jeremy Sochan, target ng Warriors. Ngayon, bakit Warriors ang posibleng lipatan ni LeBron? Unang-una, fit. Isipin mo ito, Steph Curry, LeBron James, Draymond Green, Kristaps Porzingis, kung hindi nila i-trade, plus shooters and role players spacing plus IQ plus championship experience. Hindi na kailangan ni LeBron magdala ng buong scoring load. Pwede siyang maging point forward, half-court organizer, playoff closer. At tandaan natin, halos nangyari na ito dati. May reports dati na muntik nang matrade si LeBron sa Warriors nung nakaraang season discussions, hindi lang natuloy. At kung sakaling maging free agent siya or mag-request ng move, Golden State is one of the few teams na may championship culture, may superstar na marunong maglaro off-ball, perfect for LeBron, may front office na aggressive. Pero maging realistic tayo, hindi madali ang ganitong move. Malaki ang kontrata ni LeBron. Kailangan ng salary matching, may luxury tax issues. Possible scenarios, 1 LeBron opts out at pumirma sa mas maliit na deal para habulin ng ring. 2 sign and trade scenario, 3 Lakers mismo mag-decide na mag-reset. Pero kung pagbabasihan ang kanyang body language after that Thunder loss, parang pagod na siya sa inconsistency. At kung Warriors ang magpapakita ng solid championship blueprint, hindi malabong mangyari. Ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin si Jeremy Sochan. Bakit siya konektado sa Warriors? Una, defensive versatility. Si Sochan ay 6'8" versatile defender. Kayang bantayan ng 1-4, may hustle, bata pa, high upside. Ang Warriors identity ay defense plus switching system. Imagine Sochan kasama si Draymond, switch everything, physicality, energy. At kung makuha siya sa murang halaga dahil free agent or buyout situation, low risk, high reward. Ang Warriors kailangan ng youth at athleticism. Sochan fits that timeline kung sakaling mag-all-in sila for one last championship run with Steph. At kung dumating si LeBron, mas kailangan nila ng defensive role players sa paligid. Sochan makes sense. Ano ang mangyayari kapag nagsama si LeBron at Steph? Basketball-wise, halos impossibly bantayan. Steph off-ball movement, LeBron playmaking, pick-and-roll nightmare, kick-out shooters everywhere. Sa playoffs, experience wins. At pareho silang high IQ. Ang tanong na lang, kaya ba isakripisyo ng Warriors ang depth? Kaya ba i-handle ng Lakers ang pagkawala ng franchise icon nila? So ano ang final take ko? Sa ngayon, rumor pa lang. Pero hindi ito imposible. LeBron's message after the Thunder loss sounds like a man evaluating his future. Warriors are watching. Jeremy Sochan could be part of a defensive reshaping. At kung mangyari man to, ito ang magiging pinaka-dramatic move ng dekada. Mga kabasketball, anong masasabi ninyo? Comment down below. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.